Alright, here we are at Mammoth Hot Springs in Yellowstone Park. See that little town down there? I just climbed all the way up from there. Death-defying cliffs and everything. Totally out of breath to realize there's no hot springs up here. It's just a concrete jungle, it looks like. And after that 45-minute climb, there's a parking lot right up here that I pictured too. That's a little cherry on top. Anyway, it's a great view here. Right down below there's a bunch of elk sleeping in the park there. So when I get back down there I'll take a little video of that. And I'm going to head over to Lamar Valley. Just talked to a local. They said there was a grizzly bear